For centuries, Tuscany's leather makers have worked at the crossroads of art and commerce. Today, leather is still big business here. While many products are now factory-made, Tuscany still has some small leather shops, bringing their artistic sensibility and personal touch to everything they create. That includes a classic Italian accessory, the purse.
Di particolare c'è questo, che ogni borsa è praticamente un pezzo unico perché ha delle attenzioni che in una ditta grossa. Però perché se ci vuole mezz'ora di più si usa mezz'ora di più, non ci interessa che il lavoro venga bene. Questa è una particolarità che è difficile da trovare. Sono Viviana Viviani e sono un'artigiana pellettiera e lavoro a Firenze.
Viviana's experience with making purses and other leather goods goes back more than 40 years.
Iniziando dalle cose più semplici e poi ho fatto un po' di gavetta aiutando appunto gli operai, quelli più bravi, e poi dopo sono arrivata a fare anch'io le cose che facevano loro.
Viviana works here with her husband, Francesco Venturi, who starts by cutting the leather. Then Viviana uses a model that's built to show exactly where to fold, where to stitch, and how to put it all together. She adds a special glue and uses a hammer to make sure the glue will stick. It's a process that hasn't changed much since the 1920s, when her father worked in the Florence workshop of leather artisan and fashion designer Guccio Gucci. Yes, that Gucci. In the mid-1960s, her parents opened their own workshop in Florence, which she took over, and someday hopes to pass on to her own son, Leonardo.
I'm gonna making a strap of the bag we're preparing now. I have to cut the leather, then I have to glue it. And then I have to paint by hand the borders.
Leonardo uses a special paint which is designed to adhere to leather. It's not as easy as it looks. He'll need to apply the glue carefully, otherwise it won't be even and smooth. Like his mother before him, working with leather is more than a job. It's a calling.
I'm proud to work here because this is my family business from 1965, so 55 years this company is open, and I think it's a beautiful thing.
The Italian tradition of purse making goes back hundreds of years. Modern purses were inspired by bags made as far back as the 12th century. They were used to hold money and personal items, just like today. And while styles have changed over the years, one thing has stayed the same.
Ed è una cosa che è riconosciuta in tutto il mondo, l'abilità italiana nell'artigianato è riconosciuta in tutto il mondo.
It can take up to 20 days to finish a new purse, with each one inspected and finished by hand.
E praticamente dopo la cucitura c'è una rifinitura, tintura di bordi, cose, tagli a vista che vanno tinti, queste cose qui. E poi una volta fatto questo si mette la fodera all'interno, si ricuce tutto insieme e la borsa è pronta.
It's a beautiful work because we use the hand, we use the heart, we use the creativity. I made this work with love and I'm proud about this.
Queste borse sono fatte con amore pensando sempre a chi le dovrà portare.